Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gist. Apropos anything with all concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
The letter of invitation of Saga from you people to Mama Rita is signed 100%. Egbeya may sign on this time around. All my body with my full chest. Now to sign up. Problem irribo. Let's go. Love you too, princess, my darling. So we move. The dragging continue. And the drawing continue. We move. No going back. Una ya wetin I dey tell una so. Is this ogbono when I cook this afternoon? Ona na ye gbogbo ya lay because if we so ye gbogbo lo yan wa ma beg the social media. Ere ni ya na jin lo wa de buge if here. O wa group mo rewe. Una no see am. O izin yo o ya mo bu egbe. O jin ya bu egbe. O fo ba no ye gbogbo ya wo egbe. We are me with Saga. Ah si le gbe. Now this one they call the dragging continue. Invitation accepted by Rita. The problem here is the dragging continue. Egbema wawa eweme. I am you are drinking tea, my darling. Oh, continue to drink your tea. Oh, me, I just finished my ogbono. To infinity. The dragging continue to infinity. Yes. Signed and accepted. Problem here is if you are not one of us, if you are not on the marathon of Saga from now to 2021, carry and drop for me, they go. Our platform is not for you. Good morning, how are you, my darling? So yesterday, at Warieki told him about the social media where how you day, Mr. Agbons, Domo. At Warieki atamuwa where what have we kia? At Warieki atamuwa where me live video we no day. Owo ko ni no view work your way no re social media. You don't tell magae no matter no mind, but I'm judging from my FBI. I will my soy FBI me all information me. Or what Warieki aware a precious Maggie. Wanna share the video, my people. Make I tell you now the originality of Precious Meg. The originality of Precious Meg. Now I want to tell you so. And even though I be 20, me will be it. I don't get problem. I'll share all of now for that video. While I go, the dragging continue. That's what I tell you now yesterday. He said Precious Meg is picking get passport. He himself get. Precious Meg is a 1-year resident permit holder in Germany. Not get passport. Me I feel boss to now. Me I clear that one come off for una mind because when lies are too much, everywhere will be shaking. And Precious Meg is a murderer, big murderer, in collaboration with the Godfather. I know be Godfather. Godfather no more kono see you know ya be. Yes, mortal. A Godfather no more kono see you know ya be mo. Omo be akpa no here. He's a collaborated murderer. I will prove it to you. How Precious Meg is a murderer. If you think you don't know, may I prove the genesis of Precious Meg history and problem on social media. I want to prove it. So share the video. Let me prove it to you. How Precious Meg is a big murderer. And she have a lot of murder cases. It dey her hand. Now that one, now your friend know. Where you make am dey tell una for live video. Where you make am turn puppy. I want to discuss the reason why Precious Meg, the have your work you hear one of Deutschland. The reason on that in poppy or without Warikia. If you not see it, you got a great time. A precious man called Gino. Yes. I'm tired, but he believe it. I believe it 100% because the people where they know where you also tell this woman with evidence, they also did the same thing to me. This woman where I want to play a voice so. Alright? This woman where I want to play a voice so. The same person where you tell and say a precious man go Gino. And it's a murderer. Precious men, they from here, they give people information for Germany. We know yak bomb in Nigeria. Me and hire me no here with the Godfather. Yes. Ojak Monjay me a precious man is a big thief. Proven by. Now here we prove and just now. Share the video. When you finish sharing the video, I will start playing the audio. I'll be more go playing for a Toto AY TV. Mona, no worry. Me, I said do precious me go. The other one will go analyze them for a Toto AY TV. Oh well. Uga gbele nega wu. Nega ye gbele wegbe. Na ya bu swede nevi. No magi gbe na rifo. Uga gbele nega wu. Nega ye gbele wegbe. Na ya bu swede nevi. No magi gbe na rifo. I be my people. If you not see any precious make enough yon vien. E mi atamu wana o. O wa yon vien o. E to magele yon vien. Yes, so yon vien no kwa big one. And of vien toje laou. Because a history. Ogak bomawa. No red dag me precious make go ye laou. Yes. Evidence igwene. Yak me de prove ban. So, why the boomer understand the reason when they tell now say, if you not see any precious men, you not him poppy me tamu one. I thought they gave him poppy you. Oh, do you know where you tell where? That's what you can't must to jumuki me. Ya mi oni very re. Avec dia fait kozole ya ladian, the maiko ya ributa. Cause wa mo gbe no ya gberita. Emi no lele kian mo awdai. E ma wa izina gbeberi yo. If you don't like bomb baby, wa mo gbe ka bo and make una sick pe o. Cause wa ma sick pe wa set igbi me. Work. Wa ma na sick pe wa set igbi me. Never. All right? So a precious man is a giant killer, big one. It's a murderer. And it's a thief for Jive, no? Of a rabbi. And that thief where the thief. Not be better one oh. Me not talk say I say na better one. Equal ginegie, a precious megira. Equal ginegie. Or say no man akin ku no man akin kalaka vi Germany. Yes. If you not see another doare, uvoni say tatuari ekia. E ya tamuwana. Yes. Atuari ekia. Nyento binye de ne prove ni. Ige precious megige. Ujobu jebu. Wa nesusu. O mi to tamuwa. Mama ni dina no e was be wa beg to prove ba. Share the video. Share the video. The dragging continue, my people. The dragging continue. And I am forever ready. Yes. I'm not going to hear me social media. But you will not go that way walking and walk me. Walking my affair in the guy. You go die other people death, you die and trainer. Happy? You will die the death of other people. So, Precious Meg. If he can not get passport, and if he gets, I don't have evidence to that, but she don't have passport. She only have 1 year document in Germany. Now 1 year she dey renew. Ein Jahre often title labness. So if you hear that lie yesterday, that she have a passport, a German pass, that is a lie from the pit of hell. It's not true. She have German often title Ein Jahre Renovierung zum Verlängerung. Now she dey use for Germany. Oh, somebody say he don't know. He say whether not shoplifting. A shoplifting, I mean it's precious make my o jobo jebu no. Ya say gbe or see your any precious make see I do ori. Wait because of your friend thief knife. He call me. The presence of ifon do ogi do your na gbale you wear. When the thief knife for this supermarket where they call Kaufland, the Kaufland do not do your. Oga amwe no ya we party. Listen yo, do wa my me we metamu wanania. Oga amwe no ya we party, ya boso na gba supermarket na tie Kaufland. The Germany bi mana. Eya is supermarket na tie Kaufland. A Precious Maggie. Ona do we na the supermarket. Ogi do we na the supermarket e Kaufland. Ona giae. Ogi giae ona the you basket. Or ya do your the Kaufland. It's you. Yes. That is Precious Meg for you. Yeah. Now wait till you take teeth knife for Kaufland and be this. And not be this kind of knife, now big knife. Eh, or not one I be mila. Ubemila. Or tori no ya get the milk no ya we party go baba no. Eh, no ya get the milk no ya we party. I get that kind of knife. Me I show now. Wa make be only my people ni ma why. So the dragging continue, my people. The dragging continue. Me I find now. Ebaneke. Egbe ona no kwa. Ega no big knife like this. Precious Maggie dori. O say dori we Kaufland be Germany. Egbono na no was be no na wasena. So you people have to know. If you not see an agmomana mind because a doy I put on one more horion while you pay this way. Ipa or monohorion you pay so they do. There is no picking where they say he ugly, where they know they give him correct name. Why am your monohorion be? No piano yaka where me are two po jojo. Awe salobua. Elio you wanna mosea. If you wanna mosegbe. Any atia na here. Yon pa wa bi abivien va, iya bi yon pa no. Ya atamu wana. Waga hon anywhere. Igo job go jego. Precious Maggie hin wa jaji. Precious Maggie say highway robber. Criminal. O ma no si a dwe oriye e o. O no eti dwe oriye be ne o herese. O gi dwe oriye. O gi jo raje honi. Ona mufie po. Eri high Precious Maggie. O je ni ukun. You are a criminal. And then I am kesue. Na ya kesu so moji lelue. Okpene. Okpene na kesu so moji lelue. Don't take. De na. And then mana smon. Uwe ban wana we. Nwana gbigbi abiale no we. E ko na gbigbi abiale no we. Na smoji Precious Meg. Oji wo ga gboe. Ogboe ba son ga gboe ba fan. Ojobo je wukin. Precious Meg. Me seti an win na Germany. Ni me pay tasi. Nu we a cleaner, nu we a toge, nu we a ra. We a dule ni ma fi we Kaufland. Mama kwejo. Mana wo ji oga gboe. U la gbenyeji. O ji oga gboe Precious Meg. Get in na. O ji oga gboe anu le gbenyeji. O ma no ka mu wa ge Precious Meg go me passport. A Precious Maggie must see a passport today. She is renewing 1 year resident permit in Germany. Even the German TA soon Verlegaron. And if you did Germany, you know what I'm talking about. Il evidence do we have me passport to conseil Bobby and avec les me bien nebo ima iwe marriage. A Precious Maggie moi ko bien nebo. O ma marry. Yes. E bogbe I don't want it. O na bien nebo. O ma we marriage. O ma sisi marriage there. So a Precious Maggie atamu wa ye we marriage wa jaji. E bo mwe ko na ewu there. O na bie. O mo no bie. Ija egbe Precious Maggie. O ga gele ere bie Precious Maggie muse. When on here la diane ria so no ime la diane ya do mu dia beauty competition. Yes. O iri la diane. Iri aso no ime la diane design ere you so. A Precious Maggie design over here. Eyo. Ohono eti la we Kaufland dona do ori. I am your pan setting. Yes. Menerita type. Precious Maggie is a thief. My baby 1000 e bank body ni wagele ya enwo jidan. Ohono ra otori. Almost to raba anybody no higbigbi agiane. Ona atori. Ojima na de bae. He never completes. Una hear me now. Anybody at all, when you see say, if be a gamagemu or magemu by your top, when I guana, then my wagwana today. If you Pakistan, you do asanya way, a precious make you over. Okay, no. Why it is your precious make? Wait, to fear na guana. I have was that. Oh, my no, I can't talk a precious make you a badu. Or when I am a woman, or my network, ya were in Nigeria, a precious make you always sat in at a badu. A connect you who can re Niana do at one medan your egg. Or see, I don't have you. Because open on one medan. Eti no ma. Almost over the way on my toto. Only on one medan. That is a woman who is drinking bad water. Any woman where you see say they drink bad water. Now woman where they wet for chest. They go slim for under. That is the consequences of drinking bad water. Oh no, ya medan be there agbe. That is a woman where they drink bad water. Any application, if you know, check into Badu. When you want to precious make give a Badu. Any other any other way, any other way, I call you a picture of your own way, no, I'm going to be back. On a picture, on you way, then at one or see a Namanami. Because if you don't have a Yaduro and Iraduro has, ne conjig be, do fear in Aguana. A country is a country I got behind a precious make give away, so not is all a campy. I me who we badu. Oh yes. Demina, that is how it is. Oh, when I said it do it, the supermarket in your parent net you. And then the precious make give away party why we not do it with land with Germany. Why jaju ma jaju where they want and then also a better wine. Oh, man, you boy a badge of Cofflandy. Oh, tell we Cadene Napa, Oja. What ya Ojeo? Oh, when I said it do it, on a Italawe. I mean, your partner to you. My people want no many Moses and I'm again. Koji Kibie. All living with Sagabi live with you. Mamma mia, the mother subito. Hey, I am very I am very now, Mamma sorry, my people. I call her na look. I left where Dr. Toy I de him. They will not say precious Maggie Dory. Oh, one hour you can be my people talk bowe. Yes, mota. Oh, what I will you can almost to bowe. Cause you know what me every bekia. Oh, Becky, I be precious make it today. Nana me gama we me compana cargo. Oh, we are a cocobiri no he low, said the cocobiri who no he rejecting it. Ona we yeme ni aja isha. Me kaka mo we precious me ya ban no we gan fo fe. E kopa. Menerita. Ya said ye di ma be gboe. Sisu we wura boy me kore. When you ka we yan ko da we ru awe menerita mo erita. Mo erita. We have a Mabe we no. Precious make it pay tax the Germany. One pointed nyash. He pay tax the Germany where to do advi my ori the Coffland. The ori magima egege. Bring our knife. If you Germany what a man or the ori. E onu do ye the party. He pay tax ye una. Woman that me advi my ori. You na asayo. Precious Maggie. Bring our knife for us. What here a Coffland theft? Oji no the Coffland. Then we mi weni. Owa fofu akundo so do ele de no weboro so yi. Yeah, I know what I'm telling you. Okoni di gume gwana go be vanya ona wije ne. Is Jesu me no be a deal. Papa. Precious Maggie. Mega win na. A day money baneva. Working class woman. Where do I think be mumma ya me live video woman? I mean, no winner. Eyo. Let's just make yari or him and with Coffland. Money de or him. When a time I went, Eyo Kerebino who did. Go and bring our knife. Nika finish up when a play like Bijou. It might finish up where I finish up when a band like Bijou. A Bijou I finish a Toto Ewa TV. When the time I went up Precious Meg. We are here or gima. U too small. Where they thief our knife. Where you know they walk. Yeah, where Precious Meg you worry you now again we not here. Sister Giakba. I wanna we he go phone ebu me. Wanna go save again. He go me. He go phone ebu me. Go me worry ye any day. Ona maya gia ne toki e maya gia chicken. Ogo me gi ma. O we na we sister ready. Precious Meg jere 5 years ago we wake off land. No ya we party with Germany. Could do it you ma do it or yes or no. That's what do berita. Wa me make gbe. You can wear Precious Meg you. But we present out but who agbe me. Oh, all right. You can wear. Meto bi me. You get pese no yin gbo hin bi gbo. Ugamina mo get pese no yin gbo ibu we. Yeah, Precious Meg, but why you want more? I went there on your muhan. I went down inside my heart. And there a my boy for. And now I go for another well madman. This will not be better person. How can you enter Hoffland? We go where for? I want Precious Meg on my way. They go to me ya Sanya. When you go and give me women, you know say me self don't see do shopping. Money not there with me again. I wanna with Yawari. Now this one we want to cut all those turkey, all those goats. Wait till I want to cut goats where they come out for freezer. Why I get freezer belle no yari mi ame. O se le ko na ye bebe. E freezer go na yari mi ame wo wa. E Precious Meg yan wo wa mo. O wo wa mo mi ati e wona wa so e iban. O wa so wona mo no ko na mo fie vagin ohun. O wa mo fie vagin ohun we na re fie o ga la ta me we. Oh, we calling here now. We might be Precious Meg good digi. We are doing the supermarket. Even why I ballet are you worry if you for allow it. We are not tired of me. The matter ladin. Oh, we are Precious Meg in our in any way. No, young back way in. Oh, why do you want to worry? You want to have boy? I want to have boy, Vinyana. I want to have boy. Want to have boy. Oh, why ignore where are you want? Owe mama reta won e fu pepa no fo ani na ya we ni atie owo ya bo e wari wa me na no dey call me a day life why I call you was here mo pa aseti lu yen ma ni de kola ge pese no yen gbo owo no na owo e Precious Meg owo wari yi owo wi fo de no wo giri ye ne be ana wona wari ezian yo mitala we iwa tala wa owo no pa kan we yen ten anima. I want matter anybody. I want to know how many when I was standing first class in Oji. Okbeni nakira. Isha. Precious Meg. Any boniti no ye four paper do or ye the Germany. The Kaufland. You know ya agree. Yes. Precious Meg you know. So any bonus is staggering. Atwari kia no lele hia no ri wa kan zagazaga be na gwandene na nia no bia mo pa fie Holandi ona mo epo na se romo ya na are wo do ona are wo no pa oni ka na wo atwari kia ni ya be na ya fe atwari kia na la na we Precious Meg na we ya do gbu e ya wa te ya fo with evidence yen so pa ya abolo we aba no we gan for Precious Meg na we e wo ya hi poppy e Precious Meg ya la or ya hip hop to do. Imetamu wana. Iyo ma no podio. Do ma no podio o he ma kin salo dio kwa. Wa yo dio rie ka ye me. Unu me na wa send me ya finish wa. Money do dio ropa. I don't need any backup audio from anybody. But audio no refoni me na no concern wa ogbegbelele no. Yes. Gay. Orere hia mo enyaka. Na they call the audio way this my phone. Orere hia mo enyaka. But I know they play them. You know why? Because I love them. They are my followers. They are telling me the truth. Yes. You play here. The followers me ya imu ya fie problem. The followers me ya imu ya fie problem. The time I wear Precious Meg na we aseni ya ri we yo we. We mana ho me America. Nuka ho me here no. Mama oni alowe. Get reason why. Mana wuni alo. Why that me ho? Again, Nigerian have information many years ago. Ona rule la diana do muhu die. Ona we akoebe ni koena because the precious make gina ga kije. Ona ga koebe kona. Ona ga koebe kona. Ona ga koebe kona. Ona ga koebe kona. Always a kije we kona holding up a man lare fala we gbe. Oga gwalota mi. If you find you must see. Oya dori na ga kewe. Agwalota mi. Oya se gbi ani. Oye bene. Obi afro weje obi atakpara pa no bioji no redo. No ruwe fake account. Ile wa weje ze eni o imani rebiebi. Ni oni do aso le presenter ni rita gbo eni manager na no mo se fo ni. No pe fo ni. Iko no ya pe satatu ere ni maji. Egba ave precious megi. No vi o we gbo na no we gbe aro yo to. Oh. On doit aso le ma.
Pressure Meg is a thief. The people who were Obugbeme. Pressure Meg don't na modra. People, Pressure Meg is a modra before.
Yatamwa. Did I say that? Did I say it? Yes or no? A case of a Precious Meg give a gbe modra is a game and a row bo. Who work a godfather with Wamana Latin Watama back mo yohuwa. Ubege na biyo biore be la video na get do name direction na. E dia kan biyo biore because anybody in the side go see any na be ke wo ho. E na kowe no we go you kan me ke ni total Precious Meg. Yes. Because nya be yegi pe no se no yin gbo egbe we. Ya yegi pe no se no yin gbo egbe we. E ya na gbo a eni ya nu le no na re la dia ya re wo hunda. Ari wo hunda kwesa ga le gege. E saga no eti mi we dag mo ya re wo nda. E ma no eti ya wo anwon ro. E ya mu wo nda.
Obugbeme. Pressure Meg don't na modra. People, Pressure Meg is a modra before. Pressure Meg is a modra. Hey, Pressure Meg is a thief.
Did you hear that?
The people we don't ever work with her.
Did you hear that?
Because everybody knows she's proud to be a prostitute.
Did you hear that?
She's a prostitute both home and abroad, anywhere. Every country where she don't ever do prostitute, where she don't ever meet anybody, she must deal with them. She must deal with them. I don't know why. What or where? Obugbeme. Pressure Meg don't na modra. People, Pressure Meg is a modra before. Pressure Meg.
Not be before. You made a mistake even till now. Oh why you we modra? A mistake you ever before. Oh where my day now. You say me I face Joy Thomas. I don't finish with Joy Thomas. So my video ni you no dey. Me rejection money we no here for 10 years. My beg already be my beg there. E don all that jam jack boy di. O yen gi yen hu sin. All that jam do show if say all women no more Joy Thomas sorry egbe la down we live video mi dagbe yi. E ga ni my do a draw egbe a do a see e na go see. We will go draw ourselves for 20 years. Yes. When the Precious Meg generally and you zero and you let it why. I may not have made a zero, maybe you let it why. I be my people. Yeah, we are zero and you let it why. I made a zero, maybe you let it why. So when the Precious Meg, let me tell you, Thomas of the rig, but my zero. Or see another way, baby. Anybody or a baby, no my zero, maybe you die because they are why. Yeah, anything. I may not tell your face a lie. Or I go a matter gileno, even a gile wika, or you will have video your face say that young was yes. All the vibe where you love video in me vina. All we you to Thomas or do I go? A benny adami away. Wow. So to prove to you, you get Precious Meg no kera. Eh na buetu. Eh tenena. Today. If you log into the app na tie badu, when you got time na your rule latin. Oh ya log that immediately. Or a badu. A badu on a rekia. On a revi bieka. On a rem and do agba me kwa. ele dini o wen ga ifin bo e be ni awon salobua ahe no gu na let no keke ahe no gu na let no keke o ma na gbon bi na he na ohwo ba o ma sa ti obi e to pa wa wi bi e do ni bi e gwa ma gbe ibi e sa ma gbe wa kai o ma ti o pa ju wo wa o ma ti o pa ju wo wa Zuva pretty. I don't block her. Admin. Anybody where you see and say or you bagari you bete boo baby platform me na get camera or you wa. The man is psychiatric hospital. Anybody no you bagari you bete boo and I block her in get lawa. No way.
Meg is a murderer. Hey, Pressure Meg is a thief. The people we don't ever work with her because everybody knows she's proud to be a prostitute. She's a prostitute both home and abroad, anywhere. Every country where she don't ever do prostitute, where she don't ever meet anybody, she must deal with them. She must.
All they are so make be because man the one no me no can relate with you. One no me with it. What can Precious make? Or any country where you don't ever go, almost so second and the young boom at the total. And now when you have a here no kumela wa. They like video. Only the 20 people being in Eje on the kumela wa. Because when you party on my voice video. What that they actually here? Why they actually here saba? What that they actually here saba? Actually here where a Precious Meg go we moderano. Our gumera say moderani mawa. Wama get a little video, wama me no explain him wa there because of here poppy yana gbe ro he poppy yana de yayo. Cause I hear poppy ni ya do you kwere. Emi no see any yana do yo me atamu wa. Emi no ye the Precious Meg le lakeji. Emi no ya le lakeji ya atamu wa na o. Why ye na tware kia na aso de o. The day we atware kia kon the cry. We pa di mo fi gize mio na asale pili eke ba da gbi. Na dira muto. O e mata na teve kwa. Mana be abuso ma no wa pin injection ni. Ma is a pin injection ni pin. Injection ni la wo gbolo ko ni na le buvela we ne vera to kun egbina. Ona bi hu vera na ni dade. Ege no ya tie vera we vera la re do kun egbina. Document be na vera we erita or disconnect in egbene. Erita ye disconnection gbe mo. E ma mu wa o gba ti e ogun ogbera gun ogbijuwe me gbera level ni. E level gun ogbera gun ogbijuwe be saga. Ope ni gbe dara. Ibi aka ti ogun ogbera ogbijuwe. But ya ile were. You have disconnected wo bo. You have disconnected wo we. You we gbera ma le here. We gbera ye here you. Yes. Atware kia e pa di mo figi e ti sale pili e kene boto de. E story ni ateve la dia. Ona ayo bia ni no re Holland wa ye jire ya. Ona ayo ni yaso. Owo bia ni no re Holland. Owo mi ni ma ewe ule ye wote ya avele kwa na. Odi oni be de o. Aga e save ai kwa piente to. Ya finish all men when ya la dia because mate oni la dia na tware kia o. But o si pa lo. Na mu he mai ka bu ho e. No rekompa no we egu egbina oni na ati me ne revolver boku o we ni do ansa atware kia we iwa ansa wa atware kia gbe mu a atware kia la wa no we bombula la jan ki mai we ba gbebo then me de we be saga na deju I me de we na me ne rita de we nu la tia come out uga he we saga we gele ton una e injection we ton be sagi oya come out that jan ki mai we ba gbebo Ugemina ivie ni vie obi ju oni tun egbe imani di ni disconnect on egbe oni wa here obi o kan here ni here science me ho and bia ka ni here ni ma understand itama when I wa gwa le pisi wo bomu do imi amu kama mewe apology we need to do dig wo tama mewe I'm sorry irita is wo bo you disconnect me when tama we na ya ibe finish on na me egege wa kan ya re pronjo Dame ome atware kia wa jewu. U ya jewu, u ya je pron wa poto. Because mega muhu da we. Ekeni nweje bo we ya wa adege hia. Awe ye nwa ho. Mena ni hu da we. Ina ni hu da we. Ekeni nweje bo we ya. Wa adege hia we ye nwa ho ka hie ya wa le la dedegbe. Ewu ni jo gbera ni. Wa ya jo ya poto. Eri je so meje legbe. O ya wala dia. Ere na we ni ahugwa na we ni paplo wa we to nwa mu me. Egbe na amu me la dia na atware pia. O ya. La dia o ki me we via o da gbe saga. Gati e dedegbe nu gume ati ya la vien nu gume ya la o. Inwe na o, ime problem o. Ni tama we gani yare na no me na la 6 o'clock I dey work. Ya I finish ne. Me ave pare mi na we la la. Me ave re be die ma na no. Osi palo no nsi o. Ni awori no ri asen be kuje no ro. Imada ke mo ya die Italy. Or when you have they don't know.
Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate you all. Please do not forget to like, share, and comment down below. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.